they see her 12 at midnight walking around in a t-shirt and her underwear and no shoes.
Wow. The mom's in there sleeping and the kid got out. And from what the notes saying, the kid run up down here.
You're not going to do that. You know how to open that, just do it.
A child under 4 years old walked to daycare alone. No parent came looking for her. Not for 30 minutes. Officers arrived. They knew the address. DCF had already been involved. The children had been removed before, and then returned. What the law required, what the system did, and what ultimately went wrong are three different answers to the same question.
They go to our daycare.
Oh, okay, so we know the parents and everything?
They just started going to our daycare.
She's not related? Okay.
Yeah, she's the little girls in here. They live right across the street.
Right across the street, okay. So do you have their name? Can I get their names and everything?
Yeah.
All right. 204, 201. I'm going to walk in the office.
I don't know if you... She's the one who's seen her. I don't know if you need her.
You seen her?
Yeah, I saw it.
Where was she walking from?
She looked like she was coming from the store.
Okay.
I just so happened to be
From
standing outside talking to the CDA people about my credentials.
Okay.
And I just seen her run down the street. She came in the gate, came through the gate, opened up these gates by herself.
Yeah.
And came in.
Okay.
And since we've been out here, this has been going on, I said about 20 minutes. Nobody has come looking for her. So that means she was out here by herself.
Okay,
She's not even 4 yet.
Okay. And we know who her parents are, right? They said
this is a
normal... they come to her school?
Yeah, they just started coming here. Maybe this might be the third week.
Okay.
But from what I'm hearing, just neighborhood talk, this is a normal occurrence that they see her 12 at midnight walking around in a t-shirt and her underwear and no shoes.
Wow.
That DCF came just about a week or so ago, took her out the house with mom, but mom is the one that's been coming picking her up. So whoever they put her in the house with clearly has given her back to mom.
Okay.
And it doesn't seem like mom even knows she's missing.
Yeah, so we'll figure it out.
This is normal, so I'm like, okay, the system is failing because why has nobody... You have kids getting taken out the house from their parents pinching them, but she's always walking around the neighborhood by herself.
Right.
And they're not doing anything. They haven't taken her from the parents.
Okay. All right. So cool. I'll see if I can find the DCF.
Because this is about because I know I have to call too since I saw it, so they don't take my stuff.
Yeah.
This is not the first time she's come up here by herself.
Yeah.
And the parent doesn't even know. This is about the third or the fourth time she has just walked on campus. And just like, hey.
Okay, is she okay in the office for a second?
I'm sure.
Okay, cool. I'm going to talk with the officer here. We'll be right in.
Okay.
Thank you. Your number
she
before
doesn't go here, right?
No, she does. She's been enrolled here this should be about the third week.
Okay.
But this is even before she was enrolled. She has just come onto campus.
So
I remember she used to do it all the time.
Yeah, but she's not even, and nobody still has come looking for her. She's not 4 until next month. From what the other teacher said, she's still dressed from yesterday. I guess that's what she wore to school yesterday.
Okay. Wow.
And like I was telling you, just from asking around, that she's always wandering the neighborhood by herself all hours of the night. Supposedly, the older brother is touching them, and yeah.
Okay. I'm gonna go ahead and talk with him. Thank you.
Okay, you're welcome.
Yeah, so from what they were saying, that DCF has already been notified about this.
Well, from my understanding, DCF has already removed the kids not too long ago.
Yeah.
And apparently they're back. Or DCF may have removed them
and somebody
put them in
back.
custody of the father, and the father may have just brought them back.
Right, yeah.
Because the father was having to bring one of them to Maxey Elementary every day from Orlando.
Okay, this is the mother and the information.
Yep, 609. 609.
And that's the child, and DCF has been called within the last couple of weeks 2 to 3 times. People are always trying to take the girl back home. It's just a lot.
Okay.
And so one time they were saying DCF, the mom was telling me, well, DCF let my sister or someone keep her, but my sister told me I got to come get my baby. And so I don't know what's going on.
Yeah.
But they enrolled at our daycare because DCF gave the referral.
Gotcha.
Because I guess DCF, there was on some type of watch with DCF. But like now, I'm calling her this morning, like, where are the kids? because you know we got a cutoff time.
Yeah.
She didn't answer, and then we see the baby walking by herself. So it's like if she, it's just like I told her, just bring the kids to the school every day.
Yeah.
Just bring them to school. But she said it's something about her lock.
This is Grandpa right here.
This is Grandpa?
She's here. Yeah.
You know his name?
Yeah, she came. We got a call that she was somebody with a walker was telling her. So I'm thinking it was the little short guy that placed dominoes.
Yeah.
I thought maybe that might have been him when the call came out, but then she wound up coming here.
What? Thought she going to school, and when I left, I took her brother to school over here at the Maxwell, and her mother left her sleeping. She when I come out the door, they got all kind of things on the knob so she can't get out. I don't know how she get out the house. Where's she at then?
She's inside. So are you watching her, or is the mom watching her, or?
Mama let her I took my grandson to school. When I come back, she left her sleep. And then I got out the house. I called around the house when I got back. I ain't seen the house, so I just want to take a walk. See how she around. But when she get out, she hang around this lady house up here.
Yeah.
But I walked on down this way, and that was she at right here.
Okay.
Thought she want to go to school. She go to what is it, daycare or?
Yeah.
Yeah, she go to daycare right here.
All right, just give me one quick second.
Okay.
So yeah, 3-year-old. This is the grandfather here.
Yeah.
3-year-old is out running. Have you dealt with this before?
Yeah.
With
609 East Bay Cove,
Yeah.
Marquista, Harris.
Yeah. So you're all familiar with this then?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. I guess you ran out again, and
It's not with her.
that's
I don't know what.
so that's my thing. Did you report DCF?
So I haven't actually dealt with this specific issue, but I've dealt with that house a
Okay.
bajillion times, and I know of this issue. I've never actually been the one to respond, but like I've been told that this is an issue.
So apparently the kid, I guess, got out of the house. The dad said, or the grandpa said he left, and I guess the mom's in there sleeping, and the kid got out. And from what the note's saying, the kid was running up down here, then ended up coming into the school, and that's when they called us. So.
Just.
Do you have an ID on you by chance? You have an ID on you?
Yeah.
Dispatch 20196 channel 2.
All I got ID.
Dispatch 20192. Can you copy 1 by 4 DL? Be Charles. Okay, no worries.
Because you got the baby, right? You got the baby in there with you, right?
Okay. So all the kids were taken away and they were living in the co-ed, and she somehow got them all back. And so I had to look into when that is, and if there's an open case, or if I need to open a DCF case.
201.
Oh, there might already be an open case. That's what I'm trying to figure out if there's.
10-4, thank you. You listen to this other.
It's been off and on, so that's what we're trying to figure out where to go. Hey. You've got the daughter, the little girl down there, back there? Okay. So we're working with our community liaison. She's worked with DCF. She's been involved with this family off and on. She was there when the kids were originally taken away, and now we're trying to look and see if there's a current open case, or if we can open a new DCF case involving all this, and just we're trying to figure out all the pieces, because no same officer obviously has ever been out here every single time. So I haven't been out here in a couple of weeks, and so I don't know what I'm missing out on. But for the time being, we're gonna call DCF, but we're gonna go back to the house because that's where the mom is, and we're gonna take the child back to the house and try and figure all that out, and then get DCF and our community people involved. And
So you need
figure
me to
out
bring
what's
her
going
up
there. Yeah,
to
if
you?
you could bring her up to me.
I'm not sure if you need that. It's just.
This is one. Yes.
Why do they keep her back there? Because clearly she doesn't need to be there.
So I don't have a good answer for that, unfortunately.
Yeah.
I don't know. I know that when it comes to taking kids away, it's extremely difficult for the state to do that. There's a lot of steps that they want to
hello.
because
Say hi.
it's most ideal if the kid can be at home, right? That's normally that's the desired outcome. And so, especially with them having
was she here yesterday?
I don't know.
Was she wearing the same clothing?
You have to prove a lot if you have them taken
Is she in pull-ups or anything, or is she pull-ups, or is she wear underwear?
I think they wear underwear.
Underwear, okay.
Her teacher said it was the same clothes. I didn't see her yesterday.
Okay.
Okay, so
how you doing?
You should have all that documented.
I'm fine.
Yeah.
Let's see.
Yeah. There's.
Give me 1 second. They're going to get her now. Here you go. Got a little teddy bear for you.
Okay, thanks a lot.
You're welcome.
I don't know exactly when they took all the kids out of that home and when she regained custody of them. And I don't know how she regained custody, because usually if you've got them taken away, like there's a lot of steps you got to get through to prove that like you can.
Whoever they're giving them to, if it's the auntie just taking them back. Like, I ain't got time.
Sure. But I spoke to our community person, and she said that mom got custody approved back. Like, it was approved for her to have custody again of the kids. So I'm not sure exactly what all occurred with all these cases. But I'll get you a business card before we take off with our case number. And then either there's a current DCF case, I'm going to talk to the officer, or I'm going to open a new one, and we're going to keep working through this and figure out a better solution. No, you don't have to do anything. I'll get you that case number here in a second, okay?
Thank you,
ladies. Appreciate it.
Oh, you're welcome. Yeah. So, what's the down low?
I don't know yet. Ebony's going to call me back. She's looking into the case. She's going to come out to the house, but she's looking into the case.
She's coming out now?
How you doing?
You opened the door. Quit doing that. It's not. You're not supposed to do that.
She know how to open it. I just told her to do it. She just did it.
Yeah, she know how to open that little thing on the little trap on the knob.
They broke. She broke both of them. I told you.
We need this control in the most sense, mostly because of
Oh,
her.
her dad was just over there. He said he wasn't coming over here looking at y'all. I told you. I've been telling him to help.
Dad ain't getting the kids no matter what. And he ain't passed no background anyway, so he can't take the kids.
Oh, for real?
Yeah, so it's going to be your sister.
No. Not all of them. My friends. It's DJ and her. Look, come here.
But they all got to go.
How many got in there, girl?
There's so many in your ear.
Where'd those all coming from? Whoa, how you got them stuck in there?
Just a breeze here.
Need a poop go with y'all too? Need a poop go with y'all too?
You ready to go back to daycare? Yeah, you ready? That's where we gonna go. Oh, thank you.
I told her.
Last week,
What's that?
Thursday, Friday, when my daughter had a party, and then
Oh, you gotta let me mix it up
I
again.
just got back yesterday.
All right, you gonna be here when I come?
Nope.
I'll be to the office.
Okay.
Say abracadabra.
I'll be up there.
Oh, they don't wear shoes?
Because they took
They gone. Is it in your ear?
Need a poo, come over with mama.
It's in this ear over here. Oh wait, no, I see it. There it is.
Need a poo.
Let's go to daycare, all right?
All right, see, look, you don't need no jacket.
Don't say stay with me.
Oh,
Oh, she don't need no jacket?
You do.
well. Go get your jacket.
Where's your jacket at? Where's your jacket at?
Oh no.
You don't know?
Yeah, she need on jacket.
Bless you.
Smash it.
Smash it? Smash it. Oh. You gotta need two of them. I need a second one to smash it. In your ear? But it's right here. How's it in your ear?
They waiting on you.
Go get your jacket, girlie. We can't play anymore. We gotta go get jacket, alright?
Come on, Nene. Come on. You gonna take care.
Alright. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
All right, see you later, big head. No, you going this way.
We gotta go that way, girlie.
I thought you want to go to school. You want to go? You want to go VIP with the officer?
Yeah, it's too much fun with the
My ear.
You dropped it. Let's go to daycare.
All right, back there. I'll see you later, okay?
Nice meeting
All right, take care.
Good to meet you.
All right. Well, you guys move around. I'll be speed up down the seats there.
This is a case about statutory duty, constitutional limits, and what happens when a child welfare system fails the child it was designed to protect. Florida Statute 39.1 defines neglect as a caregiver's failure to provide supervision necessary for a child's physical safety. A toddler crossing public streets alone satisfies this definition. Florida Statute 39.201 designates daycare staff as mandatory reporters. Reasonable cause to suspect neglect triggers an immediate obligation to report to DCF. This duty is not discretionary. Florida Statute 39.301 requires DCF to initiate a protective investigation upon each report and reassess whether the child remains in immediate danger. Each report is a separate, independent legal obligation. Florida Statute 39.402 authorizes emergency removal without a court order when a child faces imminent danger, and circumstances do not permit time to obtain judicial authorization. Florida Statute 827.3 classifies neglect of a child as a third-degree felony when a caregiver's failure to supervise places the child at risk of harm. Under Brigham City v. Stewart 2006, officers may investigate child welfare without a warrant when there is an objectively reasonable basis to believe the child is at risk. That threshold was met before officers arrived. In DeShaney v. Winnebago County 1989, the Supreme Court held the government has no general constitutional duty to protect individuals from harm by private parties. However, federal courts recognize the state-created danger exception. When an agency removes a child and returns her to the same risk, that affirmative act may itself create constitutional liability. In Santosky v. Kramer 1982, the Supreme Court required clear and convincing evidence before parental rights may be terminated, a standard protective in purpose, but capable of delaying necessary intervention. Florida Chapter 39 prioritizes family reunification as a default outcome, where repeated neglect reports constitute the documented record. That presumption must yield to the weight of the evidence. Lesson 1. Mandatory reporters cannot assume another agency will act. A prior report does not discharge the duty to report again. Each contact is a fresh, independent legal obligation. Lesson 2. When DCF removes and returns children to a documented risk, the state does not exit its responsibility. Under the state-created danger doctrine, it assumes a deeper one. Lesson 3. Fragmented case knowledge across responding officers is a systemic vulnerability, not an individual failure. No single officer held the full picture. That gap is a design flaw. DCF removed these children once. They were returned. Then this morning happened. Was that reunification decision documented? Was it reviewed by a court? If the state created the danger by returning these children, who bears the constitutional and legal responsibility for what followed? Florida Statute 39.301 required a protective investigation after each report. Multiple reports were filed in the weeks before this incident. What did those investigations conclude? The children were ultimately removed again. The law always had the tools to act sooner. The question that remains is why those tools were not used.